Geneva. Geneva is a fantastic choice. There's so much to see and do. The city is not only stunning but also rich in history and culture. The Jet d'eau, a giant water fountain, is an iconic symbol of Geneva and a must-visit. Strolling around Lake Geneva offers breathtaking views, and you can explore the old town with its charming streets and landmarks like Pierre Cathedral. If you're into museums, don't miss the International Red Cross and Red Crescent Museum or the Museum of Natural History. The United Nations office at Geneva is also worth a visit. And let's not forget about the delicious Swiss cuisine. Try some traditional fondue or raclette, you won't be disappointed. What activities or sights are you most excited about? Geneva offers a diverse range of activities to suit various interests. Here are some things you can do while visiting. Start your visit with the iconic Jet d'eau, a large water fountain in Lake Geneva. It's a symbol of the city, and the views are spectacular. Wander through the charming old town with its narrow streets, historic buildings, and Pierre Cathedral. Don't forget to climb the cathedral tower for panoramic views. Take a leisurely stroll along the lakeside promenade or enjoy a boat cruise on Lake Geneva. The Montreux Jazz Festival and other events often take place along the lake. Explore the European headquarters of the United Nations. Guided tours are available, providing insights into international diplomacy. Gain a deeper understanding of humanitarian work and the history of these organizations through interactive exhibits. Visit the Museum of Natural History, the Patek Philippe Museum, or the Museum of Art and History for a cultural experience. Relax in the English Garden, a beautiful lakeside park with flower beds, sculptures, and the Horloge Fleurie, flower clock. Explore the European headquarters of the United Nations and take a guided tour to learn about international diplomacy. If you appreciate nature, the Geneva Botanical Garden is a serene spot with a wide variety of plants and flowers. Indulge in Swiss culinary delights. Try traditional dishes like fondue or raclette, and don't forget to savor some Swiss chocolate. These are just a few options. Geneva has something for everyone. What activities interest you the most? The best time to visit Geneva really depends on your preferences and what you want to experience. If you enjoy winter sports and the magical atmosphere of snow-covered landscapes, then the winter months from December to February might be ideal. The nearby Alps offer great skiing opportunities during this time. For a more temperate climate and the chance to enjoy outdoor activities without the chill of winter, late spring from May to June and early autumn from September to October are wonderful. The weather is generally pleasant during these months, and you can explore the city and surrounding areas comfortably. Summer from July to August is also a popular time to visit, but keep in mind that it can be peak tourist season. The weather is warmer, and you can take advantage of outdoor events, festivals, and activities around Lake Geneva. So, it really depends on what kind of experience you're looking for, whether it's the winter wonderland, the pleasant spring, autumn weather, or the vibrant summer atmosphere. What time of year sounds most appealing to you?